Hello, everybody. Summer is upon us, and I'm about to take a major challenge over this summer. And I'm asking you, my viewers, to please encourage me along the way as I take this major challenge. Hello, everybody. I'm excited to let you know of a challenge that I've personally decided to take. I'm going to go this summer for 2 months living without a car. This electric bike should help me. I plan on my start date being on June 17th, and I plan on going until August 17th without my personal vehicle. My personal vehicle is going to be at a location which I won't be able to use it. And in this journey, I'll log both the challenges as well as any benefits that I find along the way. The environmental benefits of living car-free are many. Reduced carbon emissions, cleaner air, less reliance on fossil fuel. If more people do it, less land used for roads, parking lots, garages, automobile repair facilities, emergency rooms to house those injured in automobile accidents. However, with the who, swim, me philosophy, we want more than just sustainable. We want a good life while being sustainable. This challenge explores whether that is possible for me by giving up my car. Even if this is possible for me, that doesn't guarantee it is for you, but it might provide the motivation to try to imagine what might be possible in your own life to lower your own carbon footprint. This nifty gadget here should also help me in my challenge. The trolley. So beyond the environmental reasons, going with this way of living should be able to save some money and possibly increase wealth, which is one of our tenets. And besides, who wouldn't prefer being on a ride like this compared to fighting this traffic? Kayaking is like a way cool mode of transportation. If you ever get the chance to do some kayaking, it is absolutely phenomenal. So, hope you get to. Yes, I'm lucky enough to live close enough to the beach to bike to the beach, have an entertaining day at the beach, possibly kayaking or swimming or what have you, and then bike back to my domicile. But I bet most people live within either biking, busing, or trolley distance to some entertaining location where they can have an entertaining day using a mode of transportation that does not include driving your own personal vehicle. This is the vehicle that I'll be giving up for 2 months. And you might say, dude, you're already driving a Prius. It's a fuel-efficient vehicle. Aren't you already doing enough for the environment? Well, let me tell you, there's more to it than just fuel efficiency. I grew up in the wilderness, and when I see large expanses of land paved, it kind of tears me up a little bit. The inner geek would love to explain how pavement harms the planet. However, the purpose of this channel is to be about solutions, and I'm going to stay in that lane for now. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to thank you for supporting me. I hope you enjoyed the video. One of the things that you can do to support me in the future is to subscribe to this channel. That allows me to produce more content. You can also support me by giving me any advice on if you've ever lived car-free. I can use the pointers.